Hello everybody. Here today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the air intake hose on a 07 Honda Accord 4-cylinder. And the customer asked me, said like, why my car like very hard start, and the check engine light keep off and on with a system to lean bank 1 and oxygen sensor. I tell him, like, you need to drop off the car for me and let me diagnose it. And I found the problem. You see the hose broken here. You see the mass airflow in here, and the hose broken after the mass airflow, so it's too much air get in. That's why the car get a check engine light on it. Okay, let me show you how to replace it. Quick job, okay? So right now we just disconnect the mass airflows out. Disconnect it and the plug in here. Put the plug to the side, and we use number 8mm to remove the air box. Okay, it's an 8mm. Sometimes it's small thing, but it's a big problem. You don't pay attention on it, you're gonna see, like check engine light coming on, and it's a system to lean bank 1, bank 2, or oxygen sensor. You keep changing it, but it won't solve the problem. The problem is the air intake hose broken. It's a very common problem on the Honda. I changed like so many already, so that's why. We use number 8mm, okay? Just after you remove it, then we're gonna remove the clamp here. I thought they used, what number is it? Number 5 something? I don't know. Number 4, number 5, half something. I cannot see it, sorry, my eye. Not good. Just remove this one out. You see it? So right now just put the airbox to the side and pull the airbox out. Alright. Box out. And remove the clip, and we need it back. So just pull everything out. Disconnect this one, the hose, and one more thing. Look on the side. Take out this one. It's a very simple job. Very simple job. You can do it at home and save you a lot of money. Before you try to change the O2 sensor or try to do everything more. If you have the Honda, you should inspect the hose. You see, air intake hose broke it and cracked that here in here too. That's why it's too much air get inside the engine and pass the mass airflow, so the computer won't read it. So right now on that car, I promised with the customer I'm gonna clean the throttle body for him. Okay, cleaning the throttle body. What do I need it? I need a number 12mm and a number 10mm. Okay, you will see that you watch that video, you get a lot of things that you should know for it. It looks like the tune-up too, okay? It's tune-up, the same thing. You just change the spark plug, air filter, carbon filter, and clean up the throttle body. So it is, we call a full tune-up or wild clearance too on Honda, but we don't do a wild clearance on that car. So I just changed the spark plug for him early. I changed the valve cover gasket early, and right now to change the air intake hose. So see the hose, it's super bad, like damn. Okay, just leave it on the side. Then I'm going to clean the throttle body for him a little bit. So let me use number Let me bring my tool to do it. Yeah, try to help him out a little bit, you know, like it's old car, so this is number 12, okay, number 12 millimeter. So remove those 2 screws and 2 bolts out, so it free. Take that. So it come out, right? When it come out, let me show you that side. You're gonna see how dirty all the throttle body is. Pop it. See throttle body? It's so dirty, completely dirty. So no problem. It's not a big deal. This one I'm going to clean it and show you guys how to do it and the right thing. But make sure, okay, this one the throttle body they use the electric one. Don't push it, okay? Never push it, please. Never push. Don't push. Don't do anything like that. This one I use the brake cleaner. This one the super strong. I can clean with it. Or you can buy the chemical from auto part for the throttle body cleaner. But it won't work for me. My brake cleaner is very super strong. This one I use you see it, the king size. It's very strong chemical ever. I use this one, it worked for me. So just keep cleaning it, don't push it, okay? Make sure don't push it. Yeah, everything I did here, just try to help him out. Wanna clean throttle body. Let me spray a little bit more and keep cleaning it. Yeah, the brake cleaner here, I thought you cannot buy it from the auto part. This one is special order. But you can try the one from auto part, or you can buy the throttle body cleaner from the auto part. You can ask them for it, okay? But brake cleaner that I use it right now is super strong. I don't know what they put in there, but it worked great for me. So vô bao nhiêu? Ok. Ở đó nhắm chuyện này. Okay. Look at how clean it is. Super clean. Super. Okay. After you clean it up, just let me go to the other side to see it. The other side. You have to clean both sides, okay? Inner and outer. Let me clean the outer. We do the same thing, just use the brake cleaner to clean it up. Inner, outer, inner. Wow, clean now. Super clean right now. So after we clean the inner and outer, just install it back in. Okay. So very simple. Just put a number 12mm back in. Bolt. 2 bolts and 2 nuts. 2 bolts and 2 nuts in here. Yeah, I just showed you how to do the air intake hose, but you get one more thing to learn. It is how to clean the throttle body. So it's good to know. And let me find something. Learning is good, you know, like learning never ends. Okay, the more you learn, the more you know it. Okay, perfect guys. So right now it's time to install the intake hose. You see air intake hose here I got from dealer. The part number is 17228 dash O like rabbit, A like apple, D like Danny, dash L like Larry, 61. Alright, let me open the bag. Here it is. This is a brand new hose. So we can install the clip here. So we can install it. Wait 1 second. Let me put this one first. Before I forgot it, just put the clamp on the other side. Okay, it's good now. So let me try to install that way. I hope it works. Right. So just put the air box first, then push it in. Right? See it? It's a very simple, guys. Very simple. So let me put the hose in here. Can you see a little bit clearly, or let me move the camera? Move the camera to the side. Maybe you can see more clearly. Then we raise up the camera a little bit. All right. So let me put the hose in here, the clamp, and just put it back in. See it? I showed you how to check the air intake hose, but you get one more thing is cleaning the throttle body. Very good, very good. So you see it? Let's put everything back on, and the next thing is tightening it. Let me tie this one first, the lower. Yeah, after I check the hose, I gotta keep the engine running like 20 minutes and do the oil check and call the customer pick it up. It's all set to go. And this is the last one. Yeah, and intake hose, very common on Honda. Okay, and next is the number 8mm. They have 4 bolts, but it's missing one, broken. I don't know, it's broken one, so it has 3. One in now, and 2 more. And the last one is there. Okay, it's all set now, guys. So it is okay. Okay, it's all set now. Is how to change the air intake hose and cleaning a throttle body. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video. Any questions, just let me know. Okay, thank you.